What's up, everybody? It's Coach D, and today it is Tuesday, October 13th, and we're going to talk about the 20 pip and dip indicator. We're working with the Euro US dollar right now. My observation, my technical analysis from Sunday was that it was going to drop. We wanted a little pullback. We said that the dollar is the DXY, the dollar index, is weak. It's very weak. And when the dollar is weak, you we're saying that the euro is going to push up. So with the banks being closed and all that, we had some discrepancies in the market for Christopher Columbus Day. So you had a lot of banks closed, but tomorrow is back to action, or really today, we're back at it. And as you see, we had some lower lows way at 6 o'clock in the morning. If you don't, let me see, I'm trying to see if I can. At 6 o'clock in the morning, around here, this area right here, you had a lower low form, and you got your lower high. Now, if it was to continue doing that, you would know it was in a bearish market. But when it created that lower high, it pretty much went into the structure was still bullish. The yellow line that you see that turned red, that is my SMA 50. It lets me know market structure and all that. This line right here, I'm going to show you if I can. It ain't pulling up right now. So, okay, so the lower high, we see that it created a lower high, and then we got a lot of consolidation. We had a lot of consolidation form. And let me see if I can show you guys what that's at. All that consolidation was like in this area here, right up in there. That's where you see all the consolidation at. I can stretch it out a little. Let me see. Just trying to show you guys. I'm doing this off my phone too, so a lot of people do this on a computer. I'm working off my phone. I'm trying to show people that they can do this. It's more convenient on your computer, of course, because you don't have all these little things that get in your way. But I'm going to show you guys something, how I can stretch it out just to show you. Okay. Well, all up in that area, it was congested. So all the way to 7 o'clock, then you got that big old red drop. And as you see, when it turned red, right in this area right here, that's when it became bearish. We had market structure change on us. And that's what them dots at the top, them plus signs in the burgundy, it's letting you know that you just became it became a change of structure. Because when it was in the yellow line area, it was green. That's what the 20 pip and dip indicator will let you know. And then, but it never created a lower low because it never got down that far. It never got to that level. Now, on my technical analysis, I thought it was going to go down to 117,500. It never reached that. But the pivot, it respected that pivot at the support 1 level. But them yellow lines that you see right here are industry standard pivots that the bank use. So these are little things that you're going to need to know and understand if you want to learn how to trade Forex. Once you learn these little simple techniques, you will be unstoppable. If you want to learn how to do this stuff, just hit me up. Just hit the link around this video. Get in contact with me. Sign up on my team. Let me know you're interested. I will work with you one-on-one for the first month. The first month, you will have all my attention, and I will help you with all my heart. So what I'm waiting for right now is for this to go back above that that red line. I want it to go past the red line, go past that yellow line, and it's going to be back to a bullish territory. And that's when you would want to make sure you see a retest, and then you react. You want to see it create a higher high. If you miss the move, you want to wait and see till it create a higher low, and that's when you would get, that would be your second chance to get in the market. But we're expecting this to go up all the way to the R1 pivot, and that's 21 pips. Let's see. The way you can calculate pips, a lot of people think it's hard, but with TradingView, you just get your long thing right there. You can put it right there, really. Right there. Go up to that area. Boom. Let's see how many pips we got. Boom. How many pips? 20.8 pips. 21 pips, like I said. So just remember that. That's all it takes to really do what you got to do. Just getting that situated. Just showing you the area of where I would get my 20 pips. And that's how you win in this market. And if it continue to rise, if it go beyond that, you continue to get more pips. If it stay in the market structure, why get out? This is how you take advantage of the market and continue to compound, because compounding will be your best friend. This is how you become a millionaire, for real. So, like I said, if you're serious about wanting to learn how to do this stuff, I will teach you. It is very simple. We have a 2-week syllabus with the Epic team. I'm on the Dynasty Exchange team also. That's Ryan DeFreitas' team, and we are winning. If you want to catch these pips with us, come learn about Forex, just contact me. I'm not hard to find. Have a great day.